Have you guys ever seen a cat fluffer pillow? Hey, kitty, come here. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. You fluffing your pillow there? Hey. Hey, look at the camera, man. Come here. Oh. Here, keep purring. Yo, you wish you guys could touch her. Keep fluffing your pillow. No? You sleeping on top of the dog? You make peace with him? Yeah, he never used to be friends with the dog. Hey. You blonde, huh? Should I make some blonde jokes? No, I shouldn't. No. She's my cat. She's my beautiful cat. Okay, yeah. Come on, scratch me. Scratch me. Come on, for the camera. We need entertainment. Scratch me. Scratch me. Meow. Come on. Meow. This might hurt you guys. No? You like me whistling, don't you? Yeah. Hey, you want to say goodbye, kitty, before I turn off the camera? Oh, she says goodbye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. That means goodbye in our language. Goodbye.